Good morning. We're at 3640 Johnson here in Irvington, duplex. So not common that a duplex comes up here. So you can probably already see here, there's lots of traffic behind me on this. Footprint is really large. A lot of square footage on both of these units here, 1 on both units. Some updates. You could completely redo on the inside of these. There's tenants on both sides. You could keep it as is with just some minor repairs on it. So really a whole lot of options here with this property. The unique thing about this one, or the thing that's really going to be pushed on this one, is the location. I mean, this is right in the heart of the downtown Irvington area. Everything is walkable. It's extremely popular. So any tenants you do get in here are going to typically be a higher quality tenant. So take a look at the numbers, let us know what you think. Thanks a lot.